Mercedes Benz is a German luxury automobile brand, which is a division of the Daimler AG company. The company was founded in 1926, and its headquarters are in Stuttgart, Germany. The Mercedes-Benz logo, which features a three-pointed star, represents the company's aim to dominate the land, sea, and air. The first car produced by Mercedes-Benz was the 1901 Mercedes 35 horsepower, which had a top speed of 53 miles per hour, 85 kilometers per hour. Mercedes-Benz has a long history of innovation in automotive engineering, including the invention of the first petrol-powered car in 1886 by Carl Benz. The company has produced a number of iconic cars over the years, including the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing and the Mercedes-Benz 600. In addition to cars, Mercedes-Benz produces a range of other vehicles, including trucks, buses, and vans. Mercedes-Benz is known for its high-end luxury vehicles, which feature cutting-edge technology and top-of-the-line amenities. Mercedes-Benz has won numerous awards for its vehicles over the years, including multiple Car of the Year awards. The company has a strong presence in motorsports and has won numerous races and championships in Formula One, sports car racing, and other categories.